Today I'm reviewing Doha Bank UAE, one of the financial institutions that's been around for a while, but often flies under the radar. When you first land on their website, the design feels outdated. Navigation isn't as intuitive as modern banking platforms. The homepage is cluttered, and loading times can be slower than expected, especially on mobile devices. You'll notice the layout is clearly designed for desktop users, which is not ideal in 2025, where most banking is done via smartphones. Despite the visual flaws, there's quite a bit of information available up front. You can find details about their personal banking services, loan options, credit cards, and savings accounts. What stands out is the bank's aggressive push for their green banking and sustainability efforts, though actual implementation appears surface level. Many of the banners link to pages that are either broken or not updated, which undermines trust. The account opening process is partially digital. You can fill out your application online, but you're eventually required to visit a branch to complete the KYC process. For expats or users looking for a completely digital onboarding experience, this is a drawback. In comparison to other UAE banks that now offer full digital onboarding, Doha Bank feels a step behind. Their mobile banking app is available for both Android and iOS. I tested it across both platforms. The interface is basic, but functional. Login via Face ID or fingerprint works most of the time. However, I encountered frequent app crashes during peak hours, and updates seem irregular. Features like fund transfers, bill payments, and account statements are available, but not as fast or seamless as competitors like Emirates NBD or ADCB. Many useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to customer service, Doha Bank UAE really struggles. Their hotline wait times are excessive, often more than 15 minutes to reach a human agent. Email responses took up to 3 business days. Live chat is advertised on the site but frequently offline. Their social media channels do not respond promptly either. This lack of support is a major concern, especially if you're relying on banking services in urgent situations. The fees are also higher than average. There are minimum balance requirements on most accounts, and failing to maintain them can lead to penalties. International transfers are available, but exchange rates are not competitive, and the processing time is relatively slow. If you're considering Doha Bank UAE, weigh the pros and cons. They do offer some unique credit card offers, and a few localized services tailored to Qatari nationals and long-term residents, but as a mainstream digital bank option, it falls short. For users who want a simple, traditional bank and don't rely heavily on online features, Doha Bank might still work. But if you're after speed, customer service, and modern user experience, there are better options in the UAE market today. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one.